Alright, so in the previous video, we learned how to create a hello world program. And if you notice at the beginning, initially we had the slashes, double slashes over here saying write the code here. You remember this? Write the code here. And it's auto-generated by IntelliJ. And basically this one is it's not gonna be executed, it's gonna be ignored. So yeah, and when we run it it's gonna be the same, and there you go, hello world. So it's not gonna affect our code, but this can be useful to, for example, you work with other people and you add a comment like do something here and do this task, or in this case I can type like output. So this line, this comment describes what this code does, and yeah, that's basically the comment.